With energy prices remaining volatile and climate change affecting us all, clean and independent energy solutions are needed more than ever. A photovoltaic system, also known as solar panels, can be your solution to reduce energy bills and help the environment. But how do you choose the right system for your needs? The amount of electricity a solar panel can generate depends on the technical specifications. Quantity and orientation of the installed panels and your geographical location are important factors too. To help you determine the best installation for you, the Joint Research Centre has developed the Photovoltaic Geographical Information System, or PVGIS. PVGIS estimates the amount of electricity you can generate at home in just a few clicks. Compare it with the consumption on your electricity bill from last month. Click before you commit. Find out more about your potential energy savings at re.jrc.ec.europa.eu.